Up the hill with Windy, getting some wood. Look at the size of this tree, man. It's so heavy and dense. It's going to be a prick to split up that one by hand. Instead of walking it all up here, I'm just going to cut this log and that one. Cut that one there, and then I'm going to back the rocky down here with the trailer. Back it all the way down over here. Because this is a good sized log. This one will do me the rest of winter, I think. Need a bigger chainsaw. But yeah, she's a good size. So a few of it in here, and then look what I've got over there. Another big one. That's fallen down. So if this one doesn't last me the winter, that one will. There's one there, it's heaps dead. Another one there, another big one over there, it's dead. Yeah, another one there, there's 3 or 4 around me, so. Another one, 5, so 6, everywhere I look. But yeah, not a bad sized log compared to me boot. It's big. Wait till I get up into that. I'm going to have to prop it up with some rocks so it doesn't jam my blade. Just had that problem here, it took me like an hour to unjam it, but I got it. Me trusty old tools. Alright. Let's go back and split this trailer load. Got to get the track pulled over to the other side of that mountain. So there's a timber up over there.